Hi everybody! Look, it's Friday. We've made it to the end of the week. That means it's the weekend tomorrow. So, let's have a go at doing our first job, and it's always the same job, isn't it? We're going to be counting. Are you ready? You can join in with me. Get your fingers ready. Here we are. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, excuse me. Right, okay, so now that we've done that, shall we have a quick game of tennis, counting tennis? And I'm going to start today. If you want to, you could play this game with some of your grown-ups as well when you're not watching the video. But I'm going to start with 0 and then you can carry on with the next number. Here we go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Well done if you managed to keep up. Let's have a look at our next job. And our next job is, where's the bear? So have a look at the picture. Where is the bear? Can you tell me? Shout it out. The bear is over the table. Or you could say the bear is above the table. Where's the bear now? The bear is next to the table. The bear is next to the table, or the bear is beside the table. What about now? Oh, I can't hear you. Louder. The bear is in front of the table. Okay, where is the bear now? The bear is on top of the table, or the bear is on the table. Where's the bear now? The bear is behind the table. The bear is behind the table. And where's the bear now? The bear is under the table. The bear is under the table, or the bear is beneath the table. Now, here is our next job. And I want to know, what is one less or one fewer? What is this numicon? It's the numicon for the number 4. So 1 less than 4, 1 fewer than 4 is, what's that shape? It's the 3 shape. So 1 less than 4 is 3. What's this one? It's the number 3. So 1 less than 3, 1 fewer than 3 is 2. This numicon piece, what number is this? It's the number 5. So 1 less, 1 fewer than 5 is, that's right, if you said 4, you are correct, well done. Now, we're going to do some of our shapes. Okay, so you can do a bit of a shake, shimmy, 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 shimmy. All right, okay, so we're going to do shake, shimmy, all right, a shape, shimmy, and you have to shake your shoulders. Shake, shimmy, shoulders. All right, here we are. What's this shape? And it's gone. What shape did you see? Let's have another look. Here it is. And again, it's gone. What was that shape that you saw? Shout it out for me. Did you say triangle? Well done. This is a triangle. And tell me something about a triangle, or tell a grown-up that you're near. Did you say that it's got 3 sides? If you did, well done, give yourself a pat on the back. There are 3 sides on the triangle. What's special about those sides? Have a look at the way that they've been drawn. Do they go like this? Or are they like this? They're very straight, aren't they? They've got 3 straight sides. And what about here? We've got corners. We've got 3 corners. Right, next shape. What is that one? And it's gone. If I go backwards, and it's gone again. What was that shape? Okay, I've put this one in to trick some of you, because I bet some of you said a diamond, didn't you? I'm going to let you into a secret. In maths, there isn't a shape called a diamond, okay? It's a square, and all I've done with the square, I've just tilted it a little bit. This is a square, and what do you know about a square? How many corners does it have? It has 4 corners. All right, and look at the sides. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and they're all straight. And what was that word as well about the length? They are all equal. They're all the same. On a square, they all have to be the same, don't they? Right, one more shape. Nice and easy, this one. There we are. It's gone. What was that shape? It was a circle. And remember, a circle has no corners, but how many sides? 1 curved side that goes all the way around. Okay, we've got our 5 frames now. Have a look at this 5 frame. How many is in it? Shout it out as soon as you know. It's 3. Try this one. It's 2 on this one, isn't it? Try that, the next one. How many is that? It's 5, because every square in there is full, isn't it? Here we go. All right, now we're going to move on, because, can you see this? I've got a set of balance scales, and in the classroom, we've been using some balance scales just like this. Now, it's a little bit like a seesaw that you might see at some parks. And when something or somebody sits on one side, look, it goes down. And what happens to the other side? It goes up. So there we are, look, I can put it back there. We make it balanced. It means it's the same on both sides. But as soon as I put something in one of the sides, here we go, it goes down. So the heavy things go on one side and the light things, they go up. So on this picture here, all right, now it says we use a balance scale to help us find which object is heavy and which is light. The heavy objects make the scales go down on one side. So I've got this big teddy bear here. He's very, very heavy. And I've put a toy car on this side. It's not as heavy as the teddy bear. The car is lighter than the teddy bear. So the car, that stays up, and the teddy bear goes down. Now, have a look at this one here. It says, if we put some wooden blocks on one side, can you think of something that might go on the other side? Remember, if the wooden blocks are heavy, we need to think of something that is lighter than the wooden blocks that go up there. Think about something maybe in your house or in your bedroom, or maybe it might be in the classroom. You'll have to think a little bit about what we've got in the classroom that might be lighter than some wooden blocks. What can you think of? Maybe some pencils, because they're lighter, aren't they? What else can you think of? Maybe some jigsaw pieces. They're quite light. What else? Maybe some tissues. Shall we have a look and see what we've got on here though? Let's have a look. Oh, I put a pair of scissors. So scissors are lighter than the wooden blocks, and the wooden blocks are heavier than the scissors. Okay, I've got another one for you now. Here we are, look. Oh, got a toy dinosaur. But this toy dinosaur is on the light side because he's up. So we need to think of something that might be heavier than a toy dinosaur. What could it be? Ooh, maybe some books. I think they're a bit heavier than the toy dinosaur. What else? Can you think of something? Shout it out if you know. Maybe one of the toy drums that we've got in the classroom. They're quite heavy, aren't they? Anything else? Let's have a look. We've got one of the toy trains, because they're quite heavy sometimes, aren't they? Now, the last page here, I've said, at home, I'd like you to try and draw these scales, all right? All you need to have a straight one. You need to have one where the line's going down and one where the line's going up. And I want you to have a little think. Can you draw 6 things on your scales to make them right? So this one here, you need a heavy thing here and a light bit there. On this one, you need a heavy bit at the other end and a light bit at this end. And on this one, because it's the same, you need to have, you can't draw the same thing on both sides, but we need something that weighs the same on both sides. And I'd love it if you could share some pictures with us as well. So maybe you could email a picture in, or you could have a go at sending it on a tweet as well. All right, we'll come round and see you all next week. We've got some more learning packs, but until then, have a lovely time doing this. You might be able to have a go at practicing at home with some real scales if you've got them. All right, but have a lovely weekend, and I will see you all next week with our new maths lessons. Until then, take care everyone. Bye.